Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize the front screen of the HiHi4 by adding a widget. Widgets are simplified extensions of an app. They come in all shapes and forms. You can have email, weather, calendar and many more. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna add a calendar widget on the home screen. You need to do a long press on the home screen, select widgets, and through the extensive list of widgets, you can add your calendar. To add the calendar, you need to do a long press on the widget and place it wherever you like on your home screen. You can also resize the widget to a desirable size. And that's how you add widgets on the home screen of the HiHi4.